Welcome, my name is Peter Strong and I provide online therapy for the treatment of anxiety and depression, OCD, and many other common emotional psychological problems. As an online therapist for anxiety, I specialize in teaching mindfulness skills for managing the anxiety and the reactive thinking that supports the anxiety. Mindfulness therapy is extremely effective for helping you break free from those automatic, habitual patterns of reactive thinking that fuel anxiety and panic attacks and other anxiety disorders. When we learn how to apply mindfulness, we actually learn to sit with our emotions. We learn to meditate on our emotions. So I will teach you exactly how to do this, how to sit with your anxiety, how to meditate on your anxiety without becoming overwhelmed by it and without becoming reactive. This is the essential training that's needed to change the habit of reactive anxiety. The real problem is that we simply are not conscious of this habit of becoming caught up in reactive thinking. We get lost in patterns of worrying, of rumination, and excessive thinking, which simply feeds the anxiety. But with mindfulness training, you learn how to become an observer. You learn how to sit with the emotions and with the thoughts without becoming lost in them, without becoming overwhelmed by them, without becoming essentially controlled by your emotions or your thoughts. This process is quite easy to learn if you get good guidance. You have to learn how to meditate on your emotions. Common mindfulness meditation practices usually involve meditating on the breath, and this is a good relaxation exercise, but it will not really help you with your anxiety. You have to meditate on the cause of your anxiety, which is your relationship to your emotions and your thoughts. If that relationship is unconscious, then your emotions and thoughts will govern you. You will be controlled by them. There will be little choice. But once you start to develop more consciousness around the anxiety and the thoughts, then you begin to break free from them. You begin to neutralize the effect of emotions and thoughts on you. If you'd like to learn more about mindfulness therapy and you'd like to schedule a session with me as a online therapist for anxiety to help you, then please go to my website and send me an email, and we can schedule a Skype therapy session at a time that works for you. Online anxiety therapy is extremely effective, and most people can expect to see significant improvements after the first 3 to 4 sessions. I will teach you mindfulness techniques that you can use at home between sessions And in this way, you will gain more and more experience and confidence in the mindfulness approach for healing anxiety. Please go to my website and email me now to schedule an online therapy session. Thank you.